I am Shawn, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month around your house for maintenance to make sure your house stays in top condition. So, here are the 8 things for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for June. 1. Check for pests or insects around the home, especially near windows and doors. 2. Trim trees and shrubs to keep them away from the house. 3. Inspect outdoor play equipment for wear or safety issues. 4. Deep clean carpets and rugs. 5. Test and repair your home's exterior drainage system. 6. Check and clean window wells to ensure proper drainage. 7. Replace damaged weather stripping on garage doors. 8. Clean outdoor trash bins and sanitize them.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn, Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.